Evening, gang. I want to do a little gear talk tonight, and I'm going to talk a little bit about the new Pathfinder pack. I'm sure you guys have seen reviews on it by Dave and Sean and other folks on the YouTube. And before I get into that, let's address some of the comments that we're going to get. Yes, it's made overseas. I was in on quite a bit of the planning stages on this and all the pre-planning and other packs that were looked at and so on and so forth. And I'll be perfectly honest with you. You're going to gripe about it being made overseas. Sorry about your luck. If it wasn't made where it's made, hang on, let me fix my focus. In theory, let's fix the focus. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But anyway, I know you're going to gripe. I know you're going to post from your foreign-made electronics that this product shouldn't be foreign-made, it should be American-made, so on and so forth. Well, let me clue you in on something. If it was American-made, we would still be in the stages of getting it together. And it probably wouldn't be done for another year and a half, 2 years yet. Number two, if it was made by a U.S. manufacturer that bulk makes product, doesn't just like a mom and pop that does 2 or 3 and sells those and 2 or 3 and sells those, even then it would still be the same. This pack would cost you triple what it costs. So to have it at the price point it is, this is what you're with. I've been in a lot of this research and development, and I've learned more about tooling costs and all kinds of things like that, where a company kind of builds up to the production of items and then changes over from what they do to produce to a new item that they're producing. Costs a lot of money. And it's not the manufacturer that eats that. It's the company that's having it manufactured. They eat all those costs. So before you complain, yes, it's made overseas. If there's fine, you can get U.S. made packs, and they cost 3 times as much. If that's the way you want to go that way. I'm not telling you to go out and buy this pack. I'm not telling you to go out and buy anything that I show you. So, with that being said, I'm going to set up so maybe I can shoot over my shoulder here on the workbench. I'm not going to put it on and all that kind of stuff, because you guys have seen plenty of reviews online of people wearing it, telling you how it wears. I've had one of the prototypes for quite a while now, and I've been wearing it. Wears great. It rides great. I like the pack. I'm not much of a pack guy, so I'm not going to tell you it's better than this pack, better than that pack. In fact, most people can't answer that question for you. I see these questions all the time, as well as what's the best this for this. No one can answer that question except you, because the best thing for me probably won't be the best thing for you, and vice versa. So let me get the camera set up and we'll talk about the pack a little bit, and that'll be it. Talk to you later. Bye. Be right back. All right, so here we have the beast in all its glory. I'm attempting to shoot over my shoulder for this, so hopefully my shoulder's not in the way. I guess we'll see in the edit. Okay, first of all, this is a roll top pack. Depending on how you roll the top down, or how far you roll the top down, this is a 30 to 35 liter pack, according to the specifications. It's got plenty of MOLLE attachments on the side. What I intend to attach on here is I'm going to attach my Pathfinder IFAK on one side. This is how I've been running the prototype. And of course my travel humidor from Warfighter Tobacco is going to be on the other side. This is how I carry my cigars out to the field when we're going in the backcountry. There's not really much to say about this thing that hasn't been said by other reviewers, so I'm not going to recap what they said. Ricky, be quiet. My dog hears something outside. Apparently he wants to announce this to me. Anyway, features of the pack. It is a bucket pack. So basically this is one big compartment here in the center. It does have a couple of straps on here so you can hang your keys in there and so on and so forth. It's got a removable semi-rigid back plate on it, so you can use that for a kneeling pad. And it's in its own little compartment in there. It's got this front pouch. I usually carry something along the lines of snacks and things like that in it. Things that I'm going to do. When it comes to you, it's got the auxiliary straps for attaching things to the outside and the bottom. This would be good for a bedroll or whatever you want to hang on the outside of this thing. There's not really a lot to say. It's got two nice big bottle pockets on the side, and these are also large enough to put the head of an axe down in there if you want to carry an axe on the outside, a small one. I personally don't like things sticking up above the top of my pack, like long axe handles and things like that. So maybe a camp axe, something along those lines would be nice there. This is a brand new production model. It's not worn in nearly like my prototype is. So it's still a little crinkly and a little noisy. But over time, having it out in the field for a little while, that'll all clear up for me. It's got these auxiliary straps on the outside, so you can strap things down on the outside if you need to. That axe handle, so on and so forth. The one feature that we like to talk about is it's got this bottom compartment. I hope you can see this. That opens up, and there's an orange panel in here that acts as both a rain cover. It's large enough to be a rain cover for your pack, and it's also good for a signaling device. If you're trying to be rescued, you can cover your pack up with that and make yourself more visible, or you can use it as a waypoint marker to cover your pack with, and that way you can set your pack down, go scout an area, so on and so forth, and you can go back right to the spot you left from if you're doing navigation. This top pocket is large enough to carry all your use items. I would put my compass and things in here, things that I'm going to use a lot, and a little go kit, maybe a mini 5Cs kind of thing, in case I need to unstrap this. I can take that and take this with me as an auxiliary pack or pouch. The buckles on this thing are nice, are good quality ABS. At least I assume they're ABS. They feel like ABS or something in those lines. That's really about it. So I'll probably have this in a few more videos if I decide to do videos out in the field, which it may take me a while to do that again. Anyway, that is the new Pathfinder pack. This thing's gonna look good with my pouches on the outside, and I intend to move my Black Rifle Coffee Company pouch and patch over from my old pack onto this one. So, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Thanks for your reviews, thank you for your support, and hope to see you all in the woods. If you want to buy one of these things when they come available again, please follow my link to my suggested gear in the description. If it's not on my suggested gear page, then use that link to get to my suggested gear page, and then you follow the search bar and get to the Pathfinder Scout Pack. That's where we're going with this right now. Talk to y'all later. Stay tuned for part 3 on the IFAC. Things I'm going to change out, things I'm going to add.